Hi everyone, so my RocksBox just got here and I wanted to share with you guys what I got, so let's take a look. So here's a little box that holds 3 pieces of jewelry each month, and you can get multiple boxes. The first thing I pull out is this care card. It tells you how to take care of your jewelry on the back. This is a little booklet that tells you more about the prices of the jewelry inside. I love the way they package this. It feels like I'm opening a present every month. There's a beautiful little rose gold R, just little things that I really like. Here are the 3 little baggies. We have 2 RocksBox bags and 1 little black bag. So here's the first little RocksBox bag. Let's take a look inside. So here is this beautiful ring. I love how it looks like a rope all the way around. Sometimes you get rings that'll just be on top, but this is all the way around, really pretty. I love the diamonds on it. Here is the second little bag. I love how well they package the jewelry. I like how well they take care of it. Here are these beautiful little earrings. I like how they have the diamond detail. I love the color, how if you keep moving it around, it's iridescent. It has different colors in it. Perfect for spring. The last and final little bag. Here is the last piece of jewelry. I like that little crystal at the end. This beautiful necklace. It has a crystal pendant and it is so pretty. It actually has some weight to it. It is much prettier in person. The camera does it no justice. Very pretty. Down below is the link so that you can get a free month of RocksBox. And like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.